I obviously had a tooth that needed to be capped at least. It had a lot of fillings in it. But I also had a little swelling above the tooth, but we couldn't tell if it was really connected to the tooth. So what I really appreciated was that you were very careful about looking at it to see, is this connected to the tooth? Does this have something to do? Could this be an indication that the tooth is cracked? And you discussed this with me, which was really good, rather than just saying, well, I think this. You took your time. I think I came back. I think you looked at it and then I came back, and you thought about it and I came back. And then I knew that I wanted to have it capped, so we decided that just probably it was cracked, but we weren't sure, so let's take the tooth out and have the implant. So that was the beginning of it, and I've been very pleased with it. It's worked out really well.
Yeah. So you knew you wanted a dental implant when?
Not until we talked together.
Yeah.
Because I initially thought maybe it was just going to be a cap. Because obviously the tooth needed to be capped, but then we also had this other problem of possible infection, maybe a root not being whole. So then
yours
after
is kind of
discussing
more complicated.
right, we had to discuss it a little bit. So
yeah.
That was
Well, what caused me to have a dental implant was because I had a bridge put there, and the bridge was bad, and underneath the front tooth there, the bridge was decayed.
So when it comes to dental implants, what's your general feel on dental implants?
well, I'm very happy with mine, and it was easy to get, and it's very comfortable, and I'm very happy with how it looks. So I'm great. I think it's great.
When we did the treatment, I did not find it painful. I couldn't believe that I had no pain. He pulled the tooth out. I was wondering when he was going to pull it out, and the tooth was out already.
Space for a while.
How long was it that you had this fixed?
Well, it was 3 months, but I understand that because there was some bone transplant that had to be put in, material that had to be put in there, and it had to heal, and it had to be solid. So after I realized why I was going that long without the tooth, then I understood, and I was happy that you were being that careful.
You have other friends ask you, would you recommend an implant to them?
I would recommend an implant to everybody. And what really made me decide to have it, my cousin had it done with his false teeth. He had to get 2 implants on top and 2 on the bottom to hold his false teeth in. And he said it was unbelievable what it's done for him and everything.
The improvement
of your teeth and your chewing and everything.
I want them all to be like my own teeth, and that's what the implant is. It's like my own tooth.
Yeah. So if you lost another tooth, would you replace it with a dental implant?
I would replace it with a dental implant. Yes, I would, definitely.